guys, this is Mansi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and are safe at your home. This video is in collaboration with Purvi. She is my social media friend and she is great at makeup. So let's go ahead and welcome her.
Hi, I am Purvi Goswami and I am a YouTuber, I think so, and a makeup artist, a content creator on Instagram mostly. I post YouTube videos sometimes.
Yes.
And today we are collabing after months of discussing.
Yes, and we are very excited for this collaboration. This is going to be a challenge and Purvi will talk more about the challenge.
Okay.
So tell them what it is all about.
Okay, so as you guys know, Mansi is completely like a fashionista here. So we decided to do something related to fashion on her channel. And in this video, what we did is we gave each other 5 celebrities and we put all the names in this bowl. And both of us are going to pick one name each. And then we'll give each other two outfit options, right?
Yeah. Yes. 2 outfit options.
So we are going to give each other 2 outfit options for the particular celebrity that we get, and then we have to style ourselves accordingly and according to our own comfort too, because we don't have the same clothes probably. That's it. So yeah, I'm really excited and nervous at the same time.
Same here. I'm super excited, but I am really nervous that how the look will turn out on camera. It will be celebrity looks, but like more of a relatable,
very casual and streetwear. Yeah. So we picked casual and streetwear outfits for each other so that it's easy to recreate, obviously, because we cannot recreate red carpet outfits.
I even went to her Instagram and checked out what all she had. So I could pick accordingly. But yes, we have a bowl of chips over here and we are gonna go and pick one out of these. So are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Are you excited?
Yes, and nervous.
Yes. So, who is going to pick the chit first?
Oh, I'm letting you pick first.
Okay, I'm fine. I'm fine with that.
Okay, let's pick at the same time maybe. एक साथ ही उठाते हैं, एक साथ ही करते हैं. Let's do it together.
चलो एक साथ ही करते हैं. चलो हाँ.
And mix. Okay, ready?
हाँ. 2, 1 बोले.
Okay. 1.
Denied.
Ooh, look who I got.
Aditi Shrestha, that quirky miss.
Who is that? Zendaya!
Yes, look what I got. I think you ulta
Oh my god.
Camera, but it's Zendaya and I haven't checked her channel out. She's a YouTuber, right? Or
actress.
Oh, I don't know about movies. I don't watch movies at all.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I selected Zendaya because she has a very comfy and very nice style,
I
casual
haven't checked
style.
her Instagram, but I am excited.
I'll send you the
I'm
pictures.
super nervous.
I actually have 3 looks from Zendaya for Mansi, so there will be a lot of freedom for her to select a look. So you are very lucky. I picked 3 looks from Zendaya.
Okay. So I'm going to WhatsApp 2 pictures I guess, and from that she has to choose one.
Yeah. Okay. I'll also send you all the 3 pictures, so you decide.
And we are going to put the pictures over here in the frame so that you guys can also check that out. So guys, this is a little bit later after discussing the looks with Purvi. She gave me 3 outfits and I didn't have anything similar to those. So I asked for 2 more. I know that's a cheating, but hear me, okay? I went back to those 3 looks she sent me earlier and I'm choosing one out of those. So I went to my dad's closet and I got 2 shirts because that's what you have to do for a challenge. Yeah. So basically मैंने पापा के closet पे raid लगा दी थी and now I have the outfit ready in my head here, but I don't know how it will look in the camera, on the camera and in reality. And I'm gonna show you which outfit I am recreating and I'm gonna take you in the journey. So this is the outfit that I am selecting and I don't know how many pieces I have similar to that outfit, but I think I can make it work. Okay, so we are here. Do not mind this mess, you guys. Diwali ki safai abhi baki hai. But we have a similar top that she's wearing in the picture. I don't have a crop top like that, but I have a full sleeve t-shirt. So she has done layering in this outfit, and she's wearing a blue jacket, or you can say a blue shirt on the top of the crop top, and I do not have anything that is similar to that look. So I picked this light blue shirt from my dad's closet. I think this should work. Okay, so for the bottom part, she's wearing this emerald green sort of a straight pants, and I do have one. Surprisingly, I do have a jeans like that. So I did not know that I have something in my closet just like that, but I was saving this pair of jeans thinking that someday it will come to use, and today is the day, you guys. Today is the day she is coming to use. So let's go ahead and change the outfit, and then I'll see you in 3, 2 and 1. The shirt is on, you guys, and this is how it looks. I think it's not bad, but I definitely think that it could have been better. But फिलहाल यही था मेरे पास, so this is how it looks. And I said that I'm gonna wear this grey pair of shoes, but I just realized that I have a black pair of shoes too. So I'm gonna go change that, and then I'm gonna show you the whole outfit and how it looks once it's all put together.
Okay guys, so this is the outfit all complete. I'm wearing black jeans, black shirt, and I'm also wearing the footwear that was required. It looks similar to what the picture was. So yeah, it looks similar to what she wore. She had her sleeves halfway through it. Luckily, it's good for me because these don't go above my elbow because I have big hands, big arms. So good for me. And then she's wearing a black sling bag, which unfortunately I do not have. So we are going to use this bag. This is my camera bag. So I got it with me. Since the bag is not clearly visible in the picture, I'm going to try to recreate the same picture. And I'll just keep my hands like this, so it looks like I'm wearing, I think it just looks like a normal bag. I'll just hide some of it with my hair and like wing it, you know, because I don't have a black sling bag. So yeah, you're gonna see the pictures in the next clip while I shoot this. So let's go and click some good pictures.
How it all went. I'm not sure about how my outfit looked like, but I think it was really challenging, and I think I wouldn't have picked up an outfit like this, or I wouldn't have paired my outfit in such a way without a challenge. So what do you think about it, Purvi?
Okay, so first of all, your outfit was very cute, so don't even talk. Yeah. So I did a very simple one, but again I would not have paired my outfit like this because I don't do two colors, same colors together. Like I haven't worn black on black since like 2015 I think. So it really took me back to like 2016, which was a funny year if I may say so. So yeah, I haven't worn black on black in so long. It was so weird to see myself like that, but it was so much fun creating something different, wearing something different.
Definitely.
And it was fun doing with you too, so it's amazing that we got to do this together.
Yeah, it was really fun experience, you guys. So that was it for the video, you guys. It was a really fun challenge with Purvi, and we have a similar challenge on her channel too, so go ahead and check that out. It's so exciting, you guys. You are going to love it. Yeah, and rate our outfits in the comment section below. I'm going to be putting pictures over here that we have recreated, and rate our outfit, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay tuned, and